Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're giving you a tour of the Montego Bay Bypass Road, and this road is a part of the massive Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. This is a 274 million US 270 US 274 million dollar project, billions of Jamaican dollars, to upgrade the road infrastructure in Montego Bay. Now, this project is 50% complete. So we're giving you a tour and we're going to go through it. So the entire project is a Montego Bay Perimeter Road project. This includes building a Montego Bay Bypass Road from Ironshore to Irvine. It involves building the Long Hill Bypass, and it involves upgrading Barnett Street and West Green Avenue. So today we are showing you the Montego Bay Bypass Road. So this is the road that's going to form like a semicircle around Montego Bay, so that if you don't want to drive through the city and deal with the traffic, you can use a bypass road and literally drive on the outskirts and avoid the traffic. Now, Montego Bay is the center of everything that happens in Western Jamaica. It is the second city. So all the areas, Trelawney, Hanover, Westmoreland, they all rely on Montego Bay as the center of activity, basically. So even in addition to the people that live in Montego Bay, you have people in the other parishes that come into Montego Bay to do business. And then you have the airport, which is the busiest airport in Jamaica. Millions of people pass through that airport a year, and they all have to go through the city to get to their destination. So it's very important that this project is done. So we're going to go through an article that gives an update on the latest that's happening with this project. Prime Minister Dr. the Most Honorable Andrew Holness says he is pleased with the progress being made on the construction of the new Montego Bay Perimeter Road in St. James. He said the road, which is part of Jamaica's 60 legacy projects, is already 50% complete and is on track to be ready in 2025. The Montego Bay Perimeter Road is not only a bypass for Montego Bay, but also involves improvements to various roads within Montego Bay proper and the Long Hill Bypass. I'm very impressed with what I have seen, he said. The infrastructure work is impressive, already 50% completed for such a massive project, which will include a 4-lane bridge that I'm told will be the longest in Jamaica, he added. The Prime Minister was speaking to journalists following a tour of the project. The Prime Minister was speaking to journalists following a tour of the road project, starting at Dr. Horace Chang Boulevard in Ironshore and ending at the Construction Materials Testing Laboratory in Irvine. Describing the Montego Bay Perimeter Road project as a defining legacy for the West, Dr. Holness said the primary objective is to enhance efficiency and productivity by alleviating traffic congestion and frustration, ultimately driving economic growth. He contended that not only will the new road improve the quality of life for residents but will also benefit various sectors including business process outsourcing and tourism by reducing travel time and enhancing accessibility for workers and visitors alike. The Prime Minister commended contractors China Harbour Engineering Company, adding that he is pleased to see the integration of the local labor force in the project. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article. So this project is 50% complete. The road should be ready in 2025, which is next year. Alright guys, we'll keep you guys updated on this project. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.